Hello and welcome to another exciting episode of Steal My Winners, where we give you winning ideas to supercharge your business. On today's episode, we're going to be discussing what is affiliate marketing. I've had a lot of people ask me what affiliate marketing is recently, and I thought I'd just quickly go through the basics for anyone who doesn't know or is looking to get into affiliate marketing. So, affiliate marketing is a commission-based system for marketing another person or company's products, and the affiliate marketer joins a partnership with that business and uses the tools available to them that they've built in their online business to generate traffic and drive that to the company's products, using things like social media and their brand following, as well as the authority that they've built up over time, and also gets those people to purchase the products that they recommend. When you are doing affiliate marketing, you get a unique hyperlink that is provided by the company's products you're promoting, and it uses third-party cookies to put a cookie in the person's browser, so when they go to that company's website, it actually allows them to purchase the product, and then you get a commission for the sale on that product. So why affiliate marketing? Why should you get into it? Well, affiliate marketing allows companies to rapidly scale in a way they could not achieve on their own without a large marketing budget. And businesses can motivate their affiliates to promote their own product by giving them incentives such as discounts, bonuses, and commissions. And because affiliates aren't paid until a sale is made, it's actually easier for companies to use an affiliate program rather than other marketing programs. And if the commissions are high enough, the affiliates will do the marketing for them. So why get into affiliate marketing? What are the benefits? Well, there's very low startup costs. So it's different to any other small business like a brick and mortar, where you have to actually rent out a building and fill it out with furniture and hire a whole bunch of staff. And the majority, if not all, affiliate programs are actually free to join. There are a few that are a little bit harder to get into than others. Some people screen for affiliates. But there are a lot of programs out there that have very low barriers to entry. There's also very low ongoing costs, so you don't have to be constantly paying overheads as well. You can start it up quite easily with a free social media account, or you can very, very cheaply these days, you can get yourself free hosting, or you can get free hosting, the special deal I'll show you towards the end of the video. But also you can get very cheap hosting through a lot of different platforms like SiteGround and things like that as well. And you can also do it very cheaply by you just buy a domain, and then you get your cheap hosting, and you do it through a free web site builder, which is WordPress. And you can use a lot of the plugins that they have, things like Elementor and stuff, are easy drag drop builders. You just throw it in there and you can happily start blogging away. And then with that blog, you can build authority over time, and you can rank in Google, and you get people to come to your site. You can tell them about products, get them to trust you, and then get them to buy products through your link rather than someone else. And we just went through sort of some of the risks there, but also you don't have to store any products in any warehouses anywhere. You don't have to worry about any damage of anything over time, any wear and tear. You don't have to worry about products being sent back because the customer doesn't like them for whatever reason, or they're faulty. All of that's handled by the company you're promoting. So there's a lot less stress and a lot less logistics with that sort of side of it. You've also got affiliates are typically very targeted and very skilled at what they're doing. They're very knowledgeable in the products usually, and it's the traffic they're driving to the office is usually very, very targeted, unlike things like Facebook ads, where they're just kind of broadly sort of shooting in a barrel, which is roughly the category of traffic they're trying to aim for. It's also a great flexible work environment. So you can work from anywhere in the world as long as you've got internet connection and a laptop. For the most part, you can do it off your phone these days. And you can set your own hours. You get passive income. Now, once you're established as an affiliate marketer, yes, it can be largely passive, but there can be a lot of work to establish yourself as an authority in the market first, to get those initial people to come to your site or to your platform and then click on your link to buy the products. And you can essentially make sales while you're sleeping, 24/7. If you've got a site running, or if you want to really go all out, you can build a sales funnel that runs things for you. Or you can outsource to VAs, virtual assistants, and get them to do a lot of the heavy lifting for you. And you don't have to worry about a 9-to-5 job. You don't have to worry about being in an office and having to grind through day to day and do the same boring repetitive tasks. It can be quite an exciting profession because you're constantly shifting and moving and learning the latest in the market and following the technology of the time, and you can always just move from one product to the next, and it keeps it to be a very exciting sort of environment. There's also quite a high return on investment, so a lot of the things you're doing you can do relatively cheaply. It might just take a bit of time, and then once you establish your authority in that particular niche, it doesn't take much to keep it going and to promote those links and keep that income coming in. So you're probably wondering, what is the dark side of affiliate marketing? What people aren't telling you? Why do you not see everyone affiliate marketing? Well, some affiliate marketers get a bad rap, and a lot of this is because they're just barfing their link all over the internet. They're just dumping links everywhere and then spamming people and using quite aggressive, pushy marketing, and it makes people sort of pull back and not want to get involved with that person. There's also a lot of affiliate marketers online who are going to use fraudulent, scammy behaviour. They're going to try and fix the system and find loopholes and get around actually promoting the product and trying to find a way to get people to go to the person's site without actually giving them the information they want and helping promote the product properly and giving the company a good name. And you can also get a lot of fake gurus selling courses on the latest and greatest tricks and hacks and how to be the best affiliate marketer. There are very, very few quick fixes. There is no get-rich-quick schemes. It's a hard road. You're going to have to put a lot of time and effort into establishing yourself if you're just starting out. But if you put the effort in, eventually the rewards are there. So what got me into affiliate marketing? Well, for me, I started out in IT, and I still had that as a day job. But on the side, I wanted to have multiple sources of income. So one of the people that I follow online is Caleb Jones, and he runs a blog called Alpha Male 2.0, and he talks about having multiple streams of income and having outcome independence. So you're not tied to any particular country or business, and you've got redundancy. If anything goes wrong, if you lose your job, you've got other streams of income. And these days, especially with the uncertainty in the climate, it's definitely a very appealing idea. And to me, I went down this path of trying to figure out other ways to earn money and earn money online. So my first attempt was to actually go into dropshipping, and I went into WordPress and built my WooCommerce website and thought it was all going well, and then realised that I spent months and months putting it all together and then not having anyone go to the site. And I realised that I actually need to learn how to market. Coming from an IT background, I had no experience in marketing. And so that put me down a much deeper path, and I dove deeper, and I realised that one of the better ways to scale in dropshipping is with a funnel. And that's when I found Russell Brunson and his ClickFunnels. And the idea of a funnel, if you haven't really heard about it before, is basically increasing the average cart value. So when someone lands on your site, you get them to have an upsell. So you have, like with McDonald's, you have, would you like fries and a Coke with that? Typically McDonald's are making either a break even or a loss on the initial sale of a burger, for example, but they make their money back on the upsells, like the fries and the Coke. So the idea of a funnel is you have upsells and order bumps and things like that, which increase the cart value. So other things the person might want to buy when they're in that buying state. And that's how you make a profit, because typically when you're getting traffic to your site, if you're using things like advertising rather than free traffic, you're either going to break even or lose money, because there's such razor sharp profit margins in dropshipping that it's very, very hard to do without some sort of funnel or upsell and order bump setup. and I went through WordPress as opposed to Shopify because I thought it'd be a good free alternative, but I found that there was a whole bunch of extra work involved and free and paid plugins and trying to bolt everything together, and it ended up being not the best alternative, but I still thought Shopify was overpriced for what it offered, and I didn't want to go down that path. So I was umming and ahhing about what to do, and I almost went to ClickFunnels, but I found at the time when I was searching that GrooveFunnels had actually just been launched by Mike Falsane. Now, Mike Falsane, if you don't know, he used to run Kartra. So he's got a lot of experience with that sort of platform. If you don't know what Kartra is, it's basically a digital marketing platform which does funnels and sales and marketing and a whole bunch of other bits and pieces which help you to market your business online. So he ended up doing the all-in-one platform called Groove. And at the moment, they're doing a free lifetime deal, and also for a very reasonable price, you can do a platinum lifetime upgrade, which basically gives you the entirety of the features for lifetime, and you can get all of the upgrades and ongoing support with that product. Once that deal ends, which is going to be the 10th of December 2021, they're going to go to $299 a month. So that really, really appealed to me, and that's the platform that I went through to start on my journey to build my online business. So if you liked the content, please like, subscribe, hit the bell, and leave us a comment as well. Like, what does affiliate marketing mean to you? If you have a story about your journey or anything else you'd like to know or anything you'd like us to do on the channel, please definitely let us know, and we will see you on the next one.